crawfish.
Do you eat it?
No. No, yes. Wait, what should you eat? That one.
What?
That one. Not eat. No, yes.
They're not ready to eat?
No, no, yes.
Oh, and then you'll eat it?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Cheese. Back up. And cheese.
Tell Ashley how old you are. Show her.
Cheese.
2.
Yay!
And what are these right here?
Ears.
Let me see.
You know who I saw on TV? I saw Thomas the Train. And some kids getting on the train. I saw Thomas the Train. And kids playing on the train. Yeah. And they went, woo, woo.
And I'm thinking, what do you want me to do?
No?
That's scary,
Yeah, someone else? Oh, someone else!
They're trying to get out?
Uh-huh.
That's a big guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come back over here. Get on your foot.
Tried
to get one earlier, so yeah, watch me. Put his hand in there.
He did?
Yeah.
Can you see me now?
That thing is huge. Ashley, look. I know you can see
Oh,
it.
yeah. Can you film it?
Yeah.
Miss Creamy. No.
It's raining?
No. Miss Creamy down. Miss Creamy. Creamy. Miss Creamy. Miss Creamy. No, Miss Creamy.
No.
No clue what you're saying.
Miss Creamy.
It's raining?
Huh?
It's raining?
No. Yeah. My house.
We have no idea.
They're not coming out. They're staying. Do you want to go swim with them? That kid's coming out though. Look, look.
The kid's coming up. Yeah, they're very big.
Yeah. So much.
How many can you eat? 2?
Nothing. What's your
5.
You can
Oh.
eat 5?
I thought it was 3.
Go, go. No.
Where's Hunter?
So good.
Say Hunter.
Hi
Can you say Ashley?
there. No.
Can you say Cash?
Can you say Nat Nat?
Not.
Can you say Cash Money?
No. Not.
Cash?
Not.
Fine. You're going to swim.
Grayson, can you say Obama?
Not.
No, he could say Barack Obama.
Can you say Barack Obama? Say it again.
Mama.